This is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And, we're seeing that most of the crypto markets are down right now. And things are looking pretty red out there. We're seeing that the heat map right now, if you look at the heat map, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 42,490 time of recording. And, Ethereum is at 3,213. So these are optimal levels. We're seeing things going down, down. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This is the OG in the house, Ric Flair of Crypto, coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. And in this video we're going to talk about what should you be doing. Should you be hodling or should you be selling, guys? So we're going to talk about that and what I think you should be doing and what I'm going to be doing. Remember, this is absolutely not financial advice. Just this video is for education, entertainment purposes in the house. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed is still down, down. It's down from where it was yesterday. We were at 37 yesterday. We were at neutral only last week, and now we're at fear. So what the smart money is doing right now, smart money is absolutely buying the dips, guys, and buy the fear. You guys should absolutely be buying the fear. So what I'm doing right now is I'm not selling. I'm hodling like crazy. I'm hodling like a madman out there, and I'm actually dollar cost averaging. Yesterday I did buy one Bitcoin. Sure, I'm underwater right now. I bought it at around about 43,300, and now somewhere around there. Sure, I'm down about $900, but that's part and parcel of it. And dollar cost averaging on a regular basis, because it's impossible for you guys to time the tops and bottoms, and the only way you can make life-changing wealth is to hodl, have diamond hands, and and just dollar cost average on a regular basis. And when I dollar cost average, what I do is I buy Biddy, I buy Ethereum, I buy some of the layer ones, and of course I buy my Doge. So I'm always accumulating Doge, guys. So this is from Robert Kiyosaki, and he warns that inflation will wipe out 50% of American population in terms of financial holdings. And we're seeing right now, with the some analysts feel that the dollar and markets are on the verge of collapse due to rising food, oil, and energy prices. Sure, we're seeing that the Fed has been telling us that the inflation rate is around about 8% in the house, but we all know that in terms of real terms, it's much, much higher than that. And this is really affecting a lot of families that are particularly on low incomes and stuff like that. And things are getting more and more expensive. And it just becomes very sad when parents have to decide, how much they can feed their kids, and they got to cut back on all of these things. So, we're just seeing a whole collapse. We're seeing hyperinflation going. And, sure, for the people on lower income, cryptocurrencies is like a pipe dream. They don't even know what that is. So I really feel sorry for them out there. But for middle income and higher income individuals, one of the ways to basically protect your wealth is convert that to cryptocurrency and currencies like Bitcoin. That is a huge hedge against inflation. You guys definitely want to be doing that. And over time, we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin is going to be going up overall. And right now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin price right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 42,482, and it is just above our 42,000 support level. So that is that is a key level that we need to hold. We could even see that Bitcoin could be going down to $41,000. Some analysts have been saying that. I mean, if it does go that low, I'm not going to be panicking. I'm going to be definitely going to be buying the dips and accumulating. I'm going to be stacking the sats, guys, and that's what you should be doing, because Kerry Wood and Michael Sayer and Mike Novogratz are all saying the same thing, that we're going to be seeing Biddy going up to $500,000 in 2024, 2025. So I'm definitely willing and able to definitely hold until then, and possibly cash out some of my Bitcoin in 2025 when we hit $500,000. And in 2030, it is programmed in that we're going to be hitting about $1 million, guys. So you can see here we have this white line, which is a minor capitulation line. We're way above that. So there's no chance of the miners kind of dumping all the crypto right now, dumping all the Bitcoin. Because if the miners do dump all the Bitcoin on the market, then there'll be a huge flush out, and we'll see that Bitcoin will definitely go down to sub $15,000 level. So I don't want to see that. You don't want to see that. We're seeing that right now on the weekly candle right here. We only have 1 day and 13 hours left on that weekly candle, and this is a big Debbie Downer candle. We're down about 8.45% on the week, and the previous week we're down about almost 1%. So overall, we're seeing in the last 2 weeks, as of right now, at time of recording, we're seeing that Bitcoin is down about 10%. So in terms of Bitcoinism and cryptoism, going down 10% is not considered a crash. It's more like a correction in the house. So I wouldn't be worried about that. And we're having some really good support around about $42,000. So let's hope that holds. I'm hoping it's holds. You're going to hope it holds. So I think we're going to be holding. So this just in. Also, Russians collectively own about 130 billion worth of crypto. Prime Minister I can't even say it. I'm gonna botch it up. So it looks like we're seeing that Prime Minister is saying that believes the Russian population collectively owns about 10 trillion rubles, or $130 billion worth of cryptocurrencies. and he assumed that most of these individuals are from younger generations. So that's pretty good, because if these people have been buying crypto before the ruble collapsed, they're doing pretty good, particularly if they had Bitcoin. Basically they're up at least 40% in terms of rubles compared to where ruble was before, Putin, the crazy madman in Eastern Europe, launched his illegal invasion into Ukraine, guys. And and also it looks like 7% of Russians are hodlers, guys. So this is just more evidence what the OG is doing, what the Russians are doing right now is they're buying the dips, their dollar cost average, and they're hodling and waiting for life-changing wealth out there. We're also seeing in the past 24 hours, we're seeing that a ton of Shiba Inu has been burned. Over 1.3 billion SHIB tokens have been burned and 14 transactions. But we're still seeing that the price for Shiba Inu is still lackluster, and one of the reasons that's bringing down the Shiba Inu price is the fact that Bitcoin is down and the whole crypto market is down. If we take a look at the total market cap right now, we can see the total market cap is just around about $2 trillion. So we're at risk of going down below $2 trillion. That's going to be a huge Debbie Downer event in the house. We're seeing the volumes are really light right now, and that's at 57.99. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is pretty much stable. We still need that to come down to like 38% before we see a huge altcoin season blasting off to the moon, guys. So that is pretty cool beans. So this just coming in from Kevin OLeary. He believes that Bitcoin is going to be the reserve currency of the world, and I believe that too, because we can see that Bitcoin is stable, it's pre-programmed, and it's a huge hedge against inflation. So this is more evidence, another catalyst out there that just shows that Bitcoin is going to be going uppity up. And when Bitcoin goes up, that the Shiba Inu and Dogecoin is going to be going uppity up. And we still got a lot of support from Elon Musk in regards to the Dogecoin community. So guys, get out there, Twitter up a storm when it comes to Dogecoin. Let's get the message out. Let's build some hype, guys. Let's get that price going. So we're seeing that the percentage of Bitcoin that has not been moved for at least 1 year keeps increasing, guys. Diamond hands forever, guys. And we're close to all-time highs or at an all-time high, depending on the data source you're considering. So we're seeing that crypto, Bitcoin hasn't moved, guys, and we're seeing that more and more people are hodling and diamond hands. So this just gives more evidence that Bitcoin is going to be going up, guys. And you can see here that MicroStrategy Bitcoin purchase and realized price. We're seeing that right now that Michael Sayer, he's just keeps on purchasing. Last purchase was at 45,714, and if we look at the average price right now, is about $30,700 in house. So that is pretty cool beans, and he just keeps accumulating. So if Michael Saylor keeps accumulating, that only means one thing, guys. That only means one thing, that Bitcoin's going to be going up. So this is more evidence that you should not be selling, absolutely should not be selling, absolutely should not be panicking in the house. What you should be doing is you should be hodling, and if you've got any cash on the sidelines, remember it's not financial advice, you should be buying the dips, guys. And if you don't know when to time the dips, what you can do is just set a regular DCA schedule like the OG does. So you can see that right now, Dogecoin is ranked number 6 in terms of Bitcoin is the number 1 recurring buy asset for 2022. But Dogecoin is number 6. I don't see Shiba Inu in here, but Dogecoin is the number 6, followed by Apple. We got Apple, Ethereum, Tesla, VOO, Doge, SPY, AMZ, Microsoft, and VTI, guys. So Doge is still one of the biggest recurring buys of 2022. So that's pretty bullish for the Dogecoin right now. So thanks for being bearish, and we can see that right now Bitcoin is right here. We are looking a little bit bearish, and we have this whole sloping trend line here, and if Bitcoin doesn't stay above that, then we could be seeing a bearish trend. So we really need to get ourselves above, as I said, 45,000 is key. As long as we stay above $42,000, we're still going to be in a very bullish trend. So don't worry about it, guys. Just keep an eye on that. Even if we could drop down to 41,000, we're still going to be going okay, guys. So, so we can see that only 13% of humans are born with property rights, the right of free speech, and functional legal system, and stable fiat currency. 87% born with authoritarian countries and countries with weak currency. For those people, Bitcoin is a lifeboat, guys. So, Bitcoin is definitely a lifeboat, guys. So definitely, I've been picking up more Bitcoin. I want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I can before 2024. That way, when Bitcoin goes up to 500,000, I'm gonna be just a happy camper, guys. So you guys should definitely be doing that. We can see that right now for the month of April, in terms of Bitcoin monthly returns, we're seeing that April right now, Bitcoin is down 7.19%, and Bitcoin in terms of April is looking like really crappy right now. So hopefully we'll get some movement to the upside pretty soon. We're seeing right now in terms of leverage traders in the house. We're seeing that 204 million have been wrecked, and we're seeing in the last 24 hours right now about 2.41 million Doge, and still we're seeing that majority of the positions are longs, guys, and that's why we're getting a long squeeze right now. And when we get a long squeeze, that's going to push the price of Bitcoin down, down. When Bitcoin goes down, most of the other currencies go down. So on the 1 hour, the shorts are building up, so that's positive. On the 4 hours, we're seeing 62% short, so that's also positive. And 12 hours, we're still not there yet. So we still haven't confirmed that we're getting any short positions, so that is not good in the house. So for the price of Doge right now, we're seeing that Doge right now is at 14.31, and we're being supported at 14 cent level, so that is pretty positive in the house. So let's go Doge. As long as we can hold that support level, then we should be looking pretty positive and bullish. As I said, Bitcoin is at 42,467. Right now we're seeing that Ethereum is also just going sideways at 32.11, guys. So as long as we stay above the $3,000 level, we're going to be fine. PG Keen in the house. We're seeing that Luna Tuna in the house is also going down, down. So we do have some key support level around about 89 cents in the house, guys. So hopefully we can see that 89 cent level will hold as support, and we can bounce up from there. So Luna's at 94.88. We're seeing right now that my Phantom. I'm still buying Phantom. I love Phantom. I think long-term Phantom has a lot of opportunity and a lot more upside than it does downside. And as long as Phantom stays at above $1, guys, I'm going to be aping in like a madman. So I'm going to be buying some more Phantom as well next week. So let's hope that this will continue to go up. We got some resistance. We got some light resistance at this level here. So hopefully at the 127 level that it will. Sorry, not the 127, the 136 level that Phantom will have a reversal to the upside, guys. We're seeing that Solana is also down, and we have some good support around this level at the 101 level, the 100 level. So 101 level, excuse me, just adjust at 102. So as long as we stay above there, we'll be looking pretty fine. I'm pretty peachy keen in the house. ADA right now still above $1, guys. So if ADA does drop below $1, and remember in 10 days we had the Ethereum bridge for ADA, so you're going to be able to have interoperability between the Cardano blockchain and ADA. So that is going to be pretty huge in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the coinage in the house. So take a look at the coinage. We're seeing that right now Bitcoin is down 2%, Ethereum is down 1.56%, BNB is down. So it's pretty much carnage out there. A lot of bloodbath in the altcoins, guys and gals. So with that being said, guys, what you should be doing is you should not be selling. You should be hodling dollar cost average and buy the dips if you can, guys. So go down there, boop the like, subscribe, smash the likes, show some love with super chats. I would appreciate it. Go down there and check out all the links, guys. Get the linkies. You know where the links are below every video. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the OG gear, get the t-shirts, get the polo shirts, guys. The mug is right here. You want it, I want it. Let's get it, guys. So this is OG in the house. Just saying, God bless each and everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Be humble, guys, and don't panic sell. Dollar cost average. Humble, guys. God bless each and everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! Peace out, guys.